Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access and credentials ready. Start by opening the Epic Services dashboard and navigating directly to the service's queue. Once there, make sure to note the current queue length and any visible error flags so you know the baseline. Next, verify the service account is active and not locked, because most stalls come from expired tokens or permission changes. If a token looks expired, renew it now and refresh the queue so you can see immediate impact and proceed to deeper checks. Once the baseline is set, dive into diagnostics. Open the service logs and filter for repeated error messages or timeout patterns that match the queue timestamps. You should restart stalled service processes one at a time to avoid cascading restarts. Watch the queue after each restart to observe changes. Also check dependent systems, network latency, database connection pools, and external API timeouts, because a blocked dependency often keeps items queued. Make increment finish by confirming the queue drains completely and that pending items process in expected time. Make sure to set monitoring alerts for future regressions so you catch issues early. Once resolved, document the exact fix and update your runbook with the steps you took, including timestamps and commands used. If the queue remains stuck, escalate with a clear packet. Include collected logs, error messages, timestamps, and recent config changes so the next engineer can reproduce and resolve quickly. One tip: reproduce the issue in a test environment before wide changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.